Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Mehtab. Do you want to delete your TikTok account permanently so no one can access your data or videos again? In this video, I will show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently, safely and completely. First of all, you open the TikTok app and here you can see the three-line option, so click on it. Here you can see the three-line option, so click on it. First of all, you log in here, the TikTok ID you can delete it permanently. Here you can see the settings and privacy option, so click on it. And then here you can see the account option, so click on it. Then here you can see the deactivate or delete account option, so click on it. Here you can see the delete account permanently option, so click on it. Here you select the reason. I select the last second reason. Then click the continue option. Here you can see this option, so tick this option and click continue option. Here you can see again continue option, so click on it. And then here you enter the confirmation code, so I am writing the confirmation code. Here you can see, and then click the delete account option, so click again the delete option. Here you can see the TikTok ID is deleted permanently. Comment below, are you deleting your TikTok because of privacy or starting a new ID? So that's how you can delete your TikTok ID permanently in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends who use TikTok.